As of now, we have 115 people dead, and the total of those who were injured is 538 people, and we have 7,630 houses damaged and destroyed, and that includes 12 schools, 17 mosques, and 20 office buildings across 9 provinces, which were damaged mostly. The Afghan government provided an emergency fund of 50 million Afghans for these 9 provinces and other aids that includes blankets, tents, and foods, MREs, so that people who are in their relatives' houses and other places in shelter could get emergency food.